Julienne Keutcha. Julienne Keutcha, 21, October 1924, 2000, was a Cameroonian politician. In 1960, she was the first woman elected to the National Assembly of French Cameroon. Biography. Keutcha was born in 1924 in the village of Ngwata near Sanchu. She graduated from a beauty institute in Paris and became a child care worker. She married Jean Keutcha, who later became a minister and ambassador. She was a candidate in the 1960 parliamentary elections and became the first woman elected to the National Assembly. She remained in office until 1972. During her time in Parliament, she was Secretary of the Bureau and sat on the Foreign Affairs Committee. She also became a member of the Bureau of the Cameroon National Union and was the only woman member of the committee at the time. She died in 2000. References